Okay, let's cover now the course structure and material. The course on the ISO 13485 standard is divided into 8 separate lessons. Each lesson is covering a section of the standard, and as part of the 8 lessons, we will have a full review of all the clauses, all the requirements of the ISO 13485 2016 standard. Within this course, you will also have 6 assignments throughout the completion of the course to confirm your understanding on each of the lessons. Usually, we will have an assignment after one or couple of lessons to confirm your understanding on the topics that were covered as part of those lessons. You will also get a final assignment, okay, at the very end of the course. Once we complete the 8 lessons and we complete the 6 assignments, you will get the final exam, the final assignment. That will confirm your understanding on the full ISO 13485 clauses and requirements. As part of this course, you will have an online access to all the lessons, so you can repeat any lesson that you want to review any of the information that was presented, or to check in case you have any question. You can go back to any lesson and review them as many times as needed. You will get a copy of the slides, the PowerPoint slides, which are presented to you as part of this course, and also of the assignments, okay, the 6 assignments, the 6 short assignments, and the final assignment that will be also provided to you in PDF, so you can review them as many times as you need, or you can print them in paper if you like, whatever you prefer. You will also get a copy of a full list of references and bibliography in PDF. Okay, that list will include those references to books, to standards, to websites where you can get additional information. Okay, so you can get even more information, more knowledge at your own pace. You can keep on learning as part of looking at those references, in addition to the information which is already presented to you as part of this course. At the end of the course, you will get a certificate of completion. The idea of the certificate is to confirm that you have passed all the exams. Okay, you need to pass all the assignments, the 6 short assignments throughout the course. You need to pass those, and also you need to pass the final assignment. If you achieve that, we will issue to you a certificate of completion.